Oh, that foot does not want to come off.
Oh my gosh. Yikes.
Yeah, the sticky stuff wants to stay stuck to the...
There's no screws under it.
Oh, there's no screw under it. Oh, well then how does this open? Well, that's good. So don't take the feet off.
Yeah. Oh, that's super awesome. Wow.
I just want to see if the Wi-Fi card under here is soldered in or not. Aha! So underneath the M.2 drive that was here is our BIOS battery, CMOS battery. This is our Wi-Fi card. You can see you can swap it out if you want to upgrade the Wi-Fi. Right there. This is a little M.2 drive. You see the screw. It's pretty close. So it's just a little 2242 is what it'll fit. And then this is our single RAM slot. These type of CPUs, they only accept single channel RAM, and they're limited to a 16 gig maximum anyway. Intel limits them. That's how they make them cheaper. Interestingly, this calls this a G3 Plus. I don't know why it says G3 Plus. And all the way around. And the lid, if you missed me putting the lid on or taking the lid off, it just snaps apart. That would have been nice to know 3 hours ago, huh? Just like that. So if you want to open it up, just get a fingernail underneath there. There's no wires or fan or anything to worry about breaking or damaging. And then the SSD that's in there is exactly what Crystal Disk Info stated, which is the air disk, whatever that is. But a standard 2280.